Here we're asked to rewrite each expression in the form of a times b to the power of x. For all these, we're pretty much just going to be using our, our exponent properties here. So for the first one, I can kind of use two different properties. I could either use the idea that these two things are being multiplied, or since it's subtraction, I could technically say that these two things are being divided, but change this exponent to a positive. Doesn't really matter which way we do it, but either way, what we're going to end up with is in the front here, it's going to be 1 over 5 squared, because that's what 5 to the power of negative 2 is. I'm just kind of moving it to the front here, and then I have times 5 to the power of x. So my a value in this form, a times b to the power of x, is this fraction that ends up becoming 1 over 25, and my b value is just 5. So there's my first one rewritten as a times b to the power of x. Second one here, we got, what is this, 9 to the power of 1/2 x plus 1. So I'm going to start with 9 to the power of 1/2 times 9 to the power of 1. So again, similar product where like when I'm adding two exponents, I can break them up into multiplication with the same base. And so in this one here, again, this ends up being my a value. So because multiplication, I can move things around. I'm going to have 9 times, and then 9 to the power of 1/2 is the same thing as the square root of 9, which is 3. So this one ends up becoming 9 times 3 to the power of x. So next one here, now we got lots of different numbers to deal with. First of all, I have 60 in the front times 2/3 to the power of 2x times 2/3 to the power of negative 2. I'm going to move this one and also deal with that exponent here and make it 3/2 to the power of positive 2, because that's what our negative exponent does, times 2/3 to the power of 2 to the power of x. Now I got to simplify some more things here. So I got 60 times 9 over 4 equals 2/3 squared, which is 4 over 9. Not equals. This is multiplication. And so I have my b value. Now I just got to simplify this part of my equation here. And I don't want to do that in my head. It ends up being 15 times 9, but 60 times 9 divided by 4 is 135. So a value of 135, b value of 4/9 to the power of x. And now I've transformed that original equation into a times b to the power of x.